Hello dear students and parents, welcome to Aditi Global Academy. Today we are going to discuss all about our institution, that is Aditi Global Academy. It is located in Athwas village nearby Fatehpur Shekhawati in Sikar district of Rajasthan. This institution was established in the year 2016 under the able guidance of Mr. B.S. Dhaka sir and Mrs. Suman Dhaka ma'am. Our institution is affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Its CBSE affiliation number is 1730913. Our school is from nursery to 10th standard. We do have the hostel facility, and our specialization is to produce wonderful results for military school entrance exams, Sainik school entrance exams, and Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exams. Once we enter the institution, we can feel the fresh air. Till the academic block of the institution, you can see that it is fully green. It is covered by fully green trees. Here you can see. Till the end you can feel it. So this is the beautiful garden of our institution. You can see where the children used to entertain on different kind of swings as well as the slides. This is the play area specially designed for the pre-primary kids. That means for the students of class nursery, LKG and UKG, we have specially designed this play area. This is our wonderful computer lab, which is very nicely connected to the Wi-Fi as well as the broadband internet connection also. Students used to learn each and everything in a proper way under the able guidance of the computer teachers of the institution. This is our science lab where the children used to learn by doing various experiments of physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. For all the four subjects, physics, chemistry, maths and bio, we have designed this wonderful science lab to learn by doing different kind of experiments. This type of the classrooms are designed for the students of pre-primary section, like for the students of nursery, LKG and UKG. This is the project room where the teachers used to teach the students by showing different type of the videos of all the subjects like science, SST, English and all other subjects. So the teachers used to teach here by showing the videos to explain each and everything in detail in a very nice manner. This is our activity room where the students used to learn by doing various activities like painting, drawing, and even they used to learn the music also here in this classroom under the able guidance of our music teachers and art and craft teachers. This is the huge library of our school where we have wonderful collection of all types of magazines, books and daily newspapers where the children used to improve their knowledge by reading various type of magazines, books and newspapers. We have this kind of classroom setup for primary, middle and secondary level classes. So right from class 1st to 10th standard, we have this kind of the classroom setup. This kind of the desks are available for the students. This is another building which is made for the accommodation of teachers and the hostel students. In this building, on ground floor and first floor, we have the staff quarters, and on the second floor, we have the hostel facility for the boarders. So we have this kind of setup for the hostel students. In each room, we accommodate maximum 4 students. These are some of our school vehicles which we use to bring the students from the nearby areas. Actually, our school buses used to ply in the radius of approximately 20 kilometers of the school. This is the volleyball court where the students as well as the teachers used to enjoy playing volleyball. This is the football ground of the school. Please contact for any inquiry on the given details in this video. Thanks for watching this video.